So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change and edit your signature in your Gmail account. So to do this is pretty simple. Head onto your settings, see all settings. From there you'll scroll down and you will find your signature settings. So let's just try to find for it right here. So I can't find it, so I'll just type on signature. So here we go, we have signature now. So here, create new signature, place your name and create, and it's just that simple. So you can place your text right here. You can do wide, you can do huge, large, bold, italic, and many much more. Hello guys, test, and then there you go. So here there's gonna be signature defaults like for new email use or on reply or forward use. So it depends on you, and then you'll just have to save your changes. And there you go guys. So that's how you change your edit and your signature in your Gmail account. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.